Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience. And in this video, I'm reviewing Kraftshala Marketing Launchpad. It is one of the in and in this video, I'm reviewing Kraftshala Marketing Launchpad, one of India's most popular digital marketing program. And I will break it down into what you will learn, how it's taught, and whether it's truly the job ready or not. And I will evaluate it across 8 core areas, not eight, but 10. So, according to the curriculum, delivery, certification, mentorship, placement, support, and more. Also, the course I personally recommend is linked in my description box. So, don't forget to check it out as well. Now, I'm coming to the course review. Basically, Kraftshala Launchpad is offering a 22-week of live training, and it comes with 60% money refund as well. But only if your first job salary is under 4.5 with the skill degree online program, right? The 45 weeks program. Now, if I come to the curriculum point, the curriculum is career aligned and they are covering according to the weeks. So they are covering content creation, Excel, human skills. Let's go to the bottom and check. So they are covering Meta ads, Google ads, YouTube analytics, e-commerce content strategy, programmatic campaigns, and they are also covering the SEO part as well. So these are the actual areas companies needs you to understand in 2025. The curriculum is so good. And now if I talk about the experts and the course delivery, so the course will delivered by the online sessions. The program includes assignments, group work, and mentor support. So the faculty names are listed on the course page as well. The trainers belongs from the very trained industries, and the curriculum is also created with the industry access or the agencies. Now if I talk about the trainings, you what the tools you will get to know and all. Now if I talk about the tools and all, so these are hands-on digital marketing training industry leading tools, that is Meta, Google ads. These are the wide ranging tools, right? And there are even the tools which you can use for the Excel and the campaign analysis like MailChimp Analytics, SEMrush, Google Ads, and Meta Ads, right? And on graduation, if I talk about the certification, so you will receive an industry grade certification, around 20 certifications in total, including Google and Microsoft. So Kraftshala, if I talk about the placements, now let's go to the placement section. And Kraftshala is producing a 94% placement rate with over 2,400 place students enrolls applying for the NICA, Final CTC, and Skyline, Performance, Hive Minds, etc. And the roles are paying up to 9.5 LPA. And they're even including the careers, resume writings, mock interviews, and recruiting partner tie-ups. And the support, if I talk about the support after course completion, so alumni get access to job drives, community channels, and counselings, which is key for the long-term growth. So they emphasize on practical exposure. Projects includes Google and Meta campaigns and setting up an e-commerce store and using analytics to optimize real world metrics. And public, let's go to the public platform to check their reviews like Glassdoor. And they've even mentioned a good review there. So for the faculty support and all, and the live learning experience rated excellent here on this Glassdoor website. Let's check their reviews. They are rated as 4.2. And if I check their pros, great people to work with. I have an incredible team and all. So they have already positive reviews on the Glassdoor as well. People have written a good review about them. Uh, All right. Now, if I talk about the fees, so the fees is total payable is 1.40 thousand with 18% GST. So it is slightly expensive, but if the scholarship you get, it becomes refundable. And they have also a EMI and they also have an EMI option with 8,000 starting per month. So you can definitely go with this option, and because it has a positive review as well on the public platforms like Glassdoor and the Shiksha.com. So if you are looking for a structured industry aligned launch into digital marketing, then Kraftshala Marketing Launchpad performs strongly, and this is my honest verdict for the Kraftshala. So the course curriculum and relevance is nice. I'm gonna rate them one. And certification and recognition, they have industry grade certification by Kraftshala. This is widely accepted. So I will rate them one. And mode of learning is very flexible, so I will again rate it one. And trainers' expertise, here they have mentioned the trainers' profiles and everything, but again the public profile links are not here, so I will rate it 0.5. And the knowledge of tools and access, this is they have done a good job here, so I will rate it one. And the placement support and the career guidance, they have mentioned the placement support and the placement guarantee, and they have also provided a money back guarantee. But this is not a fully refund promised. So I would rate it as 0.5 only. Now it come to the course duration and fee structure. It is fee for the fees for 1.4 lakh and with the GST and with the EMI option available. So it is quite good and I will rate it one. And after the course support, so it is again the very good quality. I will rate it one. Reviews and reputation, no doubt, very nice. I will rate it one again. And hands-on learning and practical exposure. The course is designed to be in the terms of the practical exposure only. They have zero focus on the theory. So I will again rate it one. So the overall course becomes 9 out of 10. So if you're looking for an industry aligned and a structured launch into digital marketing, Kraftshala is good to go. Now, I can also suggest a course that I personally trust and it is globally backed and placement opportunity or as well as the money back guarantee. So the link is given in my description box. Don't forget to check it out as well. Now, if you have any questions, you can drop into the comment section and I will reply all of them one by one. Hit like, subscribe and drop your questions. Now I will see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Let's go.